Hello, I'm Kate. I'm going to walk you through how to delete contacts on Android. So, you open your phone app. As you can see, you click on contact at the bottom right corner, and then you look for the contact you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this one. You click on it. You click on the I button, and you can see the history and everything. So, at the bottom, you have options edit, share, and more. You click on more, and then you click on delete. You confirm you want to delete it by clicking on move to recycle bin. And just like that, you deleted the contact. Now if you want to delete another one, you do the same thing, do the same process. Click on it, click on the contact you want to delete, click on the I information button. Then you look at the bottom of the screen, you see the three options. Click on the three buttons on the bottom right corner, which has more written on it, and you click on delete. And you confirm your delete by moving to recycle bin. And that's it. That's how to delete contacts on Android.